Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today we'll discuss poem number 4. The name of the poem is Thing of Beauty, written by John Keats, who was born in 1795 and died in 1921. He was a famous British romantic poet. He has written a lot of poems, and from that we can consider how he was a great poet in his time. Here is a very important poem that is also all his poem that is also philosophical based on human beings. What pleasure does a beautiful thing give us? Are beautiful things worth treasury? This type of strange questions is asked by the poet John Keats. Let us start one by one stanza. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases. It will never pass into nothing less, but will keep a bower quiet for us and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. In this poem, the poem John Keats has tried to analyze, according to the poet, a thing of beauty provides everlasting joy. Everlasting means the joy or the happiness which cannot be end, that will continue forever. Its beauty never decreases but continues to increase with the passage of time. That means beautiful things never decreases its beautifulness. बट एज टाइम पासेस, जैसे समय बीतता रहता है उसकी सुंदरता और भी निखरता रहता है. इट नेवर फेड्स अवे. पोएट एक्सप्लेन दैट bower is the shelter under the shade of a tree. It provides, when we shelter under a tree, what type of feelings we are getting. It provides protection from the harsh rays of the sun and also provide a sound sleep full of sweet dreams, health and peaceful breathing. That means in this way poet wanted to explain that nature has provided a lot of things to us. We cannot separate ourselves from the nature. Nature provides, especially when we are sitting under a tree, what type of feelings we are experiencing, what that trees protect us, what type of things a tree provides us. First of all, that it protect from the harsh rays of the sun. Second, it also provides sound sleep, and that is also full of sweet dreams. We become healthier when we are under the shelter of a tree and peaceful breathing. अगर हम पेड़ की छाया में बैठते हैं, पहले तो हम सूरज की तीखे रोशनी से बचते हैं. दूसरा, हमें एक सुंदर सा एक साउंड स्लीप नींद आ जाता है. और नींद कैसे, मतलब मिठास सपने में भरा रहता है और हमें तंदुरुस्त भी मिलता है, साथ साथ हमें एक प्योर एयर इनहेलिंग मिलता है. सो दैट मीन्स गॉड इज ए ट्रीज इज ए गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड दैट प्रोवाइड ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू अस. It provides a protection from the harsh rays of the sun and also provide a sound sleep full of sweet dreams, health and peaceful breathing. Next stanza, that is, therefore on every morrow we are wearing a flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence of the inhuman dread of noble nature, of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and over darkness ways. And in spite of this despondence of the human dread of noble nature of the gloomy days, and in of noble natures of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and over darkness ways made of our searching, yes, in spite of all. In second stanza, poet wanted to explain us that every morning we are weaving a flower wealth which binds us to the beautiful of the earth, or we are collecting things of beauty that connects us to other things of beauty and keeps us grounded. Human being possesses the qualities of what? Spite means malice, hatred, and disappointment. There is a shortage of noble qualities and men continue to be able and unhealthy. आज क्या होता है, इंसान के अंदर नोबेल क्वालिटीज़ घटता जा रहा है. इंसान दिन भर दिन क्या होता है, एबल हो जाता है, अनहेल्थी हो जाता है. दैट इज़ वाई इन दिस सिचुएशन दैट पोएट एड्रेस टू द पीपल दैट दे शुड बी under a shelter of nature, because every morning what we are offering by the nature beautiful things. We make our life beautiful if we are acquainted with earth, because the earth provided beautiful thing to us. We are collecting things of beauty that connects us to other things of beauty and keeps us grounded. Why? To avoid these what miserable qualities. And this is a shortage of noble qualities and man continues to be able and unhealthy. In spite of all the negative qualities and able mentioned by the poet, a thing of beauty can infuse us with positivity and joy. कहते हैं इतने सारा नेगेटिव होने के बाद भी जब हमारी मन में तनाव, फ्रस्ट्रेशन सब कुछ बढ़ता है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सुंदर चीज़ जो पृथ्वी ने बनाया, जो गॉड गिफ्टेड है, अगर उसको हम एडप्ट करेंगे, उसके सरने में जाएंगे, देन विल मेक आवर लाइफ व्हाट हेल्दियर एंड दैट इज़ मेक आवर लाइफ व्हाट वेरी कंफर्टेबल, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट, some shape of beauty moves away the pale from our dark spirits, such the sun, the moon, trees old and young sprouting a steady boom. And that is for simple sheep, and such are daffodils with the green world. They live in the clear rills that for themselves a cooling covert make. Gent the hot season, the mist forest break, wreaths with a sprinkling of fair musk rose bloom, and such too is the gardener of these dooms. We have imagined for the mighty dead all lovely tales that we have heard of, read, and endless fountain of immortal drink pouring into orbs from the heaven brink. Let us split these paragraphs into two. One first, some shape of the beauty till up to simple shape. A thing of beauty removes that all evils of the world, and it also provides happiness from our dark spirits. The old and young trees sprout branches to provide shade and shelter to the sheep. अगर कोई sheep थक कर आ जाता है तो चाहे छोटे से हो या बड़े पेड़ के नीचे अपने आप को शेल्टर कर लेता है, राइट. एंड इट इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर द शीप अगेंस्ट द हर सन. जब कोई भयंकर गर्मी से बचने के लिए शीप पेड़ के नीचे आके शेल्टर लेता है, मान लो कि जैसे उसको कोई आशीर्वाद देता है, ब्लेसिंग देता है. दैट ब्लेसिंग हु प्रोवाइड ब्लेसिंग फॉर द शीप, दैट ट्रीज. एंड the daffodils blown are surroundings by the green world. The clear streams and of water creates a cooling shelter for themselves against the heat of the sun. The beautiful musk roses means wild roses, help to make the beautiful forest rich in beauty. जब जंगल के अंदर जो जंगली रोजेस का खुशबू से सारे जंगल मतलब क्या कि प्रेग्नेंट हो जाता है, फ्रेगरेंस स्प्रेड हो जाता है. दैट स्प्रेड अ ब्यूटीफुल सराउंडिंग्स टू द अर्थ विथ ब्यूटीफुल वाटर. एंड फाइनली, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट, दैट सन इज द ग्राउंडनर ऑफ द ग्लूम्स. द मैग्निफिसेंस दैट वी एसोसिएट विथ आवर एंसेस्टर and the beautiful things created by them. All the beautiful stories that have been read or heard by us are also things of beauty as they leave as a positive impact. जितने भी हमने सुंदर सुंदर कहानियाँ पढ़े हैं अथवा देखे हैं, उससे हमें क्या मिलता है, हम अपने जीवन में बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव मतलब इंस्पिरेशन पाए हैं. दैट प्रोवाइड पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट इन आवर लाइफ. व्हाट प्रोवाइड पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट? ऑल द ब्यूटिफुल स्टोरीज, all the beautiful stories that have been created by them, that have been read or heard by our ancestor. The beautiful stories or beautiful things which is made by our ancestors, that is also provided a positive result for our mind. We also positively inspired by reading all these beautiful books. That is why poet address all the beautiful stories. जितने भी सुंदर कहानियाँ हैं that have been read अथवा heard, हम पढ़े हैं या सुने हैं by us, हमारे द्वारा, are also things of beauty as they leave a positive impact. So that is why we should always listen the beautiful stories, heard beautiful stories that definitely provide a positive impact on our life. The source of the endless of immortal ring is the brink of lesson, means open the door of the God's home. That means if we'll mentally peace, if we'll mentally strong by reading such beautiful things, and we can, that is impact positive things in our life. So what will happen? In that internally we will inspire ourselves and मन में एक संतोष जगेगा, मन को शांति मिलेगा, तो बाकी ज़िंदगी हमारा आराम से कटेगा, मानो कि जैसे स्वर्ग के लिए द्वार खुल जाएगा. So that means what happened, what poet has addressed lastly, that it will better endless of the immortal drink is the brink of, that is means opens to the door of the God's home, heaven. Brink of heaven means open the door to the God's home. ईश्वर के पास जाने के लिए हमें मुक्ति का मार्ग मिल जाएगा. कब मिलेगा? जब हम ईश्वर का दिया हुआ वस्तु सब अध्ययन करेंगे, उसके बारे में जानकारी लेंगे, ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरीज़ पढ़ेंगे और उसके बारे में जानकारी लेंगे. व्हिच इज़ मेड बाय आवर एंसेस्टर. हमारे पूर्वजों ने जो सुंदर सुंदर कहानियाँ बनाए हैं, सुंदर सुंदर ज्ञान हमें दिया है, वो सारे ज्ञान को अगर हम एनालाइज करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे, जानेंगे, that will provide a positive things, positive impact in our life. हमारे जीवन में सकारात्मक प्रभाव पड़ेगा. नतीजा, we will become scholar and will mentally peace and rest of our life should be spent proper way. So then what will happen? Automatically there will be a way for the heaven. Means that you will come in quietly and peacefully walk to the door of the God will be open and you will move slowly to the heaven. That's all. Thank you.